In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to activate holiday mode on Vinted. If you're taking a break or won't be able to ship items for a while, holiday mode is a perfect way to pause your listings and keep buyers informed. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, please consider leaving a comment, subscribing to the channel, and giving it a like. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful content for you. To activate holiday mode on Vinted, follow these simple steps. Open the Vinted app and log into your account if you haven't already. Tap on your profile by selecting the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Scroll down and find the option for holiday mode. Toggle on holiday mode to activate it. Once enabled, your items will be temporarily hidden from buyers, and they won't be able to make purchases until you turn it off. And that's it. With holiday mode activated, you can relax, knowing your listings are on pause until you're ready to return. To recap, today we showed you how to activate holiday mode on Vinted in just a few quick steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let us know if you have any other questions about Vinted features. And stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.